Hi, hello everybody, my dear intermediate regular students, CBSE students, NEET aspirants, IIT aspirants, and all JEE students. Grand welcome to BMS Academy of JEE Physics. This is Mr. Bhanu Moorthy Sharma, Senior Physics Faculty Member, Senior Physics Tuition Master in Hyderabad, having 30 years of teaching experience. Thanks for joining with me. Yeah, I'm conducting online classes for the students throughout India, and also I'm conducting offline classes at Vanasthalipuram region, Hyderabad. The nearby students are coming to my house and they're getting satisfied. Tremendous response is coming from students and parents. Yeah, thanks for watching my video classes, all of you, my dear students and parents. Yeah, in the last three video classes, I explained one-dimensional motion from kinematics, that is motion under gravity, and also two-dimensional motion, that is projectile. In the third video class, I explained about photoelectric effect, the most useful concept for NEET entrance as well as IIT entrance. My dear students, on the behalf of students' interest and request, in this video class number 4, I am going to explain thermodynamics chapter. Now let us discuss quickly about thermodynamics. Now, if you like this video, share, subscribe and press the bell button without forgetting, and do viral this video to all your friend circle so that everybody can get awareness. Okay. Now let us start quickly. Thermodynamics. So thermodynamic variables are pressure, volume, temperature, heat. Basic thermodynamical variables these are. Okay, the relation among these four we can discuss in this chapter. Now, especially first law of thermodynamics. What is meant by first law of thermodynamics? dq equals to du plus dw. Generally, the students can expect the question from this concept, first law of thermodynamics. What is meant by heat supply? Suppose this is a system. A system means a cylinder containing piston and a gas. This is called as a system. Now, if heat is supplied to the system, that is represented by positive symbol. Say for example, 100 calories of heat is supplied to the system. Say dq equals to plus 100 calories. Suppose if heat is released by the system, then it is represented by minus dq. If 50 calories of heat is released by the system, loosened by the system, then we can write it as minus 50 instead of dq. Okay, so that is sign convention of heat supplied or heat released. Second point is internal energy. My dear students, internal energy concept is nothing but sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, so generally in the gas molecules, if the position between the two gas molecules increases, then we say the potential energy increases. So potential energy is directly proportional to position between the molecules. At the same time, relative speed between the particles. If the particles move randomly from one place to another place, then we can say that kinetic energy also increases. So to entire internal energy of the system means cylinder, gas, piston, like that. So the internal energy depends upon what? Temperature of the system. If temperature of the system increases, internal energy also increases. The intermolecular distance increases as temperature increases. At the same time, the speed of the molecules also increases with temperature. So totally the internal energy of the system is directly proportional to temperature. If temperature is constant, internal energy is constant. If temperature rises, internal energy rises. If temperature falls, internal energy also falls. Like that. I think everybody understood this concept. Internal energy is sum of potential and kinetic energy, right? Next one. So change in the internal energy is du. Change in the internal energy is nothing but du. Okay, sometimes it is positive, sometimes it is negative. Sometimes positive means if temperature rises, or during adiabatic expansion, compression, adiabatic compression. Adiabatic compression means gas suddenly compressed from outside. If the piston is lowered now suddenly, gas gets compressed, its volume decreases, all the molecules come closer and they collide themselves. Friction reduces, temperature rises. So there is an interlink between among all these parameters. Okay, during adiabatic compression, the gas suddenly compresses, then pressure increases, then temperature rises, then what happens? Internal energy, change in the internal energy is positive. Okay, next, if temperature falls, okay, or during adiabatic, adiabatic means a sudden process, okay, adiabatic expansion, we can call it as. So when the gas expands suddenly, then what happens? All the intermolecular distance increases. So between the gas molecules, the distance separation increases. Then the collision number decreases, friction reduces, then temperature falls. This is information now. So when temperature falls means during adiabatic expansion process, then temperature falls means internal energy falls, then change in the internal energy becomes negative now. Okay, so in the first case, heat supplied means positive, heat released by the system is negative, temperature rises means during adiabatic compression this is positive, and during temperature falls means during adiabatic expansion the change in the internal energy becomes negative. Okay, now so internal energy concept we discussed now. For ideal gas, there is no potential energy. Okay, intermolecular distance is almost zero for ideal gas. Okay, so for ideal gas, only kinetic energy is present. Okay, so in the case of ideal gas, what is the total internal energy of the system means only kinetic energy, because kinetic potential energy is zero for ideal gas. Okay, next. What about work done? External work done. External work done by the gas. My dear students, listen carefully. By the gas, pronunciation is very important. External work done by the gas means the system here, piston here, then what happens? Gas molecules are pushing the piston outwards and gas molecules are doing work. As a result, what happens? The piston moves upwards from here to here. This type of process is called as expansion of the gas. During expansion, volume increases. Okay, so if volume increases, then automatically work done becomes positive. Okay, so work done by the gas is positive plus dW, because dW formula pressure into change in the volume, P into dV. Okay, so dV value increases, no, volume increases during external work done by the gas. Okay, so during expansion, whatever the expansion may be, during expansion of the gas, then volume increases, so change in the volume becomes positive, then automatically work done becomes positive. Okay, work done by the gas is positive always, right? Now the next I'm going to explain what now negative work done. So when you will get negative work here? So work done on the gas, external work done on the gas. On the gas means what? From outside we are pressing the piston downwards. So if the piston is pressed downwards like this, initially piston was like this. If the piston is pressed downwards, automatically what happens? The piston comes down. Then gas molecules come closer and closer. This type of process is called as compression. So during compression we can call it as, during compression of the gas or work done on the gas is negative work done. Okay, my dear students, so when you will get positive work, when you will get negative work, so all these parameters you have to consider sign convention while doing the problems from first law of thermodynamics. So plus or minus dq equals to plus or minus du plus or minus dw. We can choose plus or minus depending on the situation in the problem given in the respective entrance examinations, either NEET or IIT mains, right? Now, in the next concept, we are discussing about work done. What about, please do. So, for example, 100 calories of heat is supplied. In examination, they may ask like this. One example I am giving based on first law of thermodynamics. So, 100 calories of heat is supplied to the system, to a gas or system, whatever it may be, and 50 calories of work, external work, is done by the gas. So you remember these points, special points. Okay, supplied means positive, by the means positive. Okay, initial internal energy. Its initial internal energy. Initial internal energy is 30 calories. Find its final kinetic energy, final internal energy. Final internal energy. This is the point. So, my dear students, how to do this problem? Okay, how to do this? Come on, tell me now. So, first of all, let me write dq is equals to du plus dw. Du means u final minus u initial. We can write like this. Plus dw or plus or minus whatever it may be. dq supplied means plus dq here. So, that is 100 calories plus 100 we can put here. Next, u final we want now, minus u initial is 30 calories is given there. Okay, then work done by the gas or on the gas? By the gas. By the gas means positive. Okay, 50, positive 50. Okay, now u final equals to u final plus 20 here. This is 100 here. U final is equals to 80 calories. My dear NEET aspirants and IIT aspirants, listen carefully. Now, this is the method to solve the problem based on first law of thermodynamics. Okay, let us move quickly to one more concept. This is the way of explanation in this institution. So, I am conducting 7 batches completely. Okay, from morning to evening up to 10 p.m. From morning 4:30 onwards, I am going to conduct the classes now. This is the way of explanation. In each and every chapter, nearly 30-40 concepts, around 40 concepts I am going to explain, and conceptual models which we are expecting in entrance examinations, NEET as well as IIT-JEE mains. Okay, so those who are willing to join in this institution, you can dial this number. Now I am giving number now. Already I began and for second video class and first video class. Again I am representing now 98852 77893. So if you dial this number, you can talk to me directly. Okay, the detailed information will be given to you. Okay, now on the behalf of students and parents request, I initiated these classes. Okay, tuition classes in the year 2014 onwards. Okay, so tremendous response is coming from the students and parents. Thanks for watching my video classes regularly, all my parents and students. And also, it's the right time for me to explain, to give the vote of thanks to the YouTube channel. So thanks to YouTube channel for giving me this best platform for me to explain to express my knowledge and to cherish the students, to bring the brilliance or to bring the awareness in the students regarding NEET and IIT entrance examinations. Because physics is a tough subject, actually everybody knows that, but it plays an important role in deciding the rank in entrance examinations. Okay, but actually everybody tells that physics is tough subject. Negative phobia they are creating now in all institutions and colleges. But it's not correct actually. Physics is a so simple subject now. It can be made very easy in this academy, BMS Academy of Physics. It is situated in Manasthalipuram, Hyderabad. So whenever you want, you can come and just visit my institution. Okay, it's a very honest institution, highly dignified, highly conceptual, and objective-oriented coaching center. Okay, your best rank, top rank is my top priority. So this is a highly integrated coaching center. It is okay. So because we have 30 years of teaching experience now, how to tackle the students and how to explain the models and different tough models. I know everyone. Okay, everything now in examinations also. Gunshot questions are they are asking now based on fundamentals, concepts, and teaching techniques. Okay, very so many teaching techniques I have. So to explain each and every model. Okay, in examination, very simple questions they are asking in NEET as well as IIT mains in all shifts. Okay, so in the month of December 2024, IIT mains examination is going to be conducted now. So I'm going to finish the syllabus by the end of December. Okay, up to shift 1 examinations. Okay, first year package is separate, and second year package is separate. And the NEET examination also is to be conducted in the month of May 2025. Okay, wishing you all the best, my dear NEET students and IIT students. This is my way of teaching. If you like this type of teaching now, you are better to join in this institution because you will get maximum information now. Go, don't miss this choice. You go, avail this golden opportunity. That is my sincere advice. Okay, wishing you all the best. Keep on watching my regular video classes now. Every week 2 or 3 video classes I'm going to release now, chapter wise, some techniques and beautiful concepts I'm going to release, which are gunshot concepts which we are going to expect in NEET as well as IIT mains examinations. Okay, wishing you all the best. Keep on watching my video classes. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye. See you guys.